If we jump into a few other add-ons that you can look at, I myself personally haven't really used them or don't use them, but there is also UV filtration. There is full-on dehumidifiers, so dehumidifiers which can be ducted. I have seen these used in a few applications, especially when the basement is very damp, depending on where the house was built. Maybe that basement is always super, super high humidity. It's always wet, it's always moist. Maybe a whole home or a full basement ducted dehumidifier would be better than the portable dehumidifiers. And you can also look into extra filtration systems.